Cut. So Sie ran und mark. Yes, das kommt bad Piers.
The small plane crashed while landing at the airport. You can see the plane hit the runway, bounced into the air, tried to get control again, but then wrecked in that field before finally coming to rest. We don't have a lot of information, but we can tell you the pilot was awake and alert, but appeared to...
Well, a small plane crashed in Florida over the weekend, and this morning we have new video from a surveillance camera. As you see right there, the fireball. The plane hit a building which houses a therapy center for children. None of the 8 adults and 5 kids inside were injured, but 2 people died aboard that plane. The cause is still being investigated.
Storms in the area when the Boeing 747 purportedly shown here stalled and crashed in Afghanistan. So weather is one potential cause, weight is another.
The overall weight has to be
Plane goes down in South Florida. So look at this. Ring surveillance video shows a car driving down the street, and just seconds later, a small plane crashes right into it before bursting into flames. There's the moment of impact. This happened in Pembroke Pines. Investigators say a woman and child were inside that car, believe it or not. They were taken to the hospital. No word tonight on their condition. The FAA says the crash happened shortly